Welcome back to Pharmacy News. Jane Orr joins us now, the Managing Director of Mundipharma. Thanks for your time.
Hi, Miranda.
Now tell me, what's new in consumer health?
Well, I think pharmacists here at APP would know Mundipharma really for being a prescription company with strong opioids for pain management. And, you know, we see our move into consumer health really as an expansion of that. There's some great new products that we're offering pharmacists launching this weekend at APP, and that's the MultiCare range of skincare products.
Tell me a bit about it.
Well, our flagship product is a product called Burn Aid, and up until now it's really been used very much in the space of ambulances, so every ambulance service in Australia carries Burn Aid, but we haven't really had the packaging that's been really pharmacy friendly and enabled pharmacists to manage burns for consumers that come in off the street. So now launching the MultiCare range, we have Burn Aid as well as other products to treat cuts, grazes, itches, rashes, and really help pharmacy assistants and pharmacists to navigate that messy part of the first aid section of their pharmacy.
That makes sense. So what would you like pharmacists to take away with them?
Well, I think the one thing that we've found with research with members of the public is that there are so many misconceptions about how to treat a household burn.
Sure.
Anything from putting toothpaste and ice and all sorts of sort of home remedies. And pharmacists, I think I'd like them to take out that they really have a role to play in educating members of the public on how to treat burns properly.
Okay, and how do you treat burns properly?
Well, as we've heard from Yvonne Singer, the main key to household burn treatment is running water. At least 20 minutes of running water under a cold tap. It makes such a difference to the outcome of the burn. Then open the drawer, get out your Burn Aid if it's a minor burn, and cover it with Burn Aid gel. And that will really go a long way towards healing minor burns in the home.
So you are launching new products at APP 2016.
We are.
What's the next 12 months have in store?
Well, apart from our first aid range, we're also launching a terrific new drink designed for hydration of women during pregnancy and breastfeeding.
Really?
We have with us at the stand here at APP a Sydney obstetrician called Dr. Rob Buist, who developed this drink directly in response to the needs of his patients who, when they had a lot of morning sickness, really struggled getting enough water, you know, with the taste of trying to take in too much water. And the other drinks that are available, the rehydration drinks, really are very high in sugar and very high in sodium. And pregnant women really need to be aware of that. So he's developed a drink that's low in sugar, a little bit of sodium but not too much, and also with some folic acid that enables women to drink it right through their pregnancy, through their labour, and while they're breastfeeding. So it's very exciting.
It is super exciting.
Yes.
We all know how thirsty you get when you're breastfeeding, that's true. So that sounds really interesting.
Aquamama.com, that's the place to go.
That's where it's at. Jane, thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome. Thank you.
We'll be back with more pharmacy news in just a moment.